Want to study Japanese language? Visit our Facebook page at Plastone School. Or you can click the link in the description. Sign up now and create your future with us. You can also visit our YouTube channel. Don't forget to click the subscribe button to be updated on our latest videos. Plastone Language School Incorporated.
Minasan konnichiwa, imata nesha desu, yoroshiku onegaishimasu. So ngayon yung ating topic is node. So yung node para lang niyang kara na because. So node because, no, it can be used to give the reason for the situation, describe the balance of sentence semantically. Node. So mas polite daw yung node compare kay kara. Okay? So node is because lang din po ito, ha. So yung conjugation niya is verb short form. Okay? So present, past, no? Affirmative, negative, no? Basta lahat short form plus node. Then sa adjective naman, short form then plus node. Okay? Then sa na-adjective, so kailangan natin, no? So na-adjective, so kailangan may na, no? Yung noun din, kailangan lang na, no? Na-node, no? Na-node. Example verb natin. So taberu, taberu node, no? Past, tabeta node, ganon, no? And uwishi naman sa i-adjective, no? So example niya, uwishi plus node, uwishi node, no? Then sa na-adjective, which is kirei, so kirei na node, no? Kirei na node. Then yung sensei is a noun, so sensei na node, no? Sensei na node. So ito po yung ating mga examples po. Okay? So, ito naman yung kanyang format sa sentence. So, reason, node, no? So, kung sino yung lalagyan ni node, siya yung reason. Okay? Reason, then situation. English meaning nun, situation, because, then reason. English meaning niya. So, proceed. So, I want to eat something now because I am hungry, no? So, onaka ga suita node, no? Suita, no? Ima nanika, no? Tabetai desu. So, I want to eat something now because I'm hungry. Gusto kong kumain ng kahit ano ngayon dahil ako ay gutom. Ganon. Next naman natin, I will study a lot today because there will be an exam tomorrow. So, ashita shiken ga aru node, kyou wo takusang benkyou shimasu, no? So, aru, no, arimasu, no? So, bukas pa yan, kaya aru yung ating ginamit, hindi atta, hindi atta. The next naman natin, so I don't like movies because I have no interest in the actors and actresses. So, hayu ni kyoumi ga nai node, eiga ga suki janai desu. So, hayu ni kyoumi ga nai node, eiga ga suki janai desu. So, ano, no? Node, ano? Node, node, node. So, ano po yung gamit ni node, ha? Kailangan natin tandaan yung mga conjugations natin, no? Kung ano yung dapat ang conjugation niya para hindi tayo magkamali when it comes to constructing a sentence po natin, no? So next naman natin, I ate too much yesterday because Japanese foods was so delicious. So, kinoo nihon no ryori wa oishikatta node tabesugimashita. Ulit. Kinoo nihon no ryori wa oishikatta node tabesugimashita, no? So, napakain daw siya o na madami daw, sobraan daw yung pagkain niya kahapon kasi masarap daw yung Japanese food. So, yun, no? So, next naman natin. So, I will go to Japan because it is very clean, no? It is very clean, no? So, pupunta ako ng Japan dahil ito ay napakalinis, no? Napakalinis. So, Nihon wa totemo kirei na no de ikimasu. So, ganun yung ating example sentences. So, I hope kung kayo po ay magko-construct, so, huwag po natin kalimutan, no? So, yung reason, tsaka yung situation, no? So, kung ano man yung reason nyo, so, doon nyo po ilalagay si no de. Okay? Huwag po yang magkakabaliktad kasi mali na po yung translation nun or hindi na po siya maiintindihan. Okay? So, I hope nakuha niyo po yung aking explanation kasi medyo simple lang naman ito, no? Kasi na-discuss natin yung kara. Then, just same lang na meaning nila. No? So, I hope nakuha niyo po. And thank you po sa pakikinig. God bless. Otsukare-sama desu.